Hello everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In previous session we have seen how to download files on Chrome and Edge browser. In today's session we will see how to download files on Firefox browser. So there is some difference when we download the file on Chrome and Edge, which was kind of a similar, but for Firefox there is some difference in it. So we will see how exactly we can download the file on Firefox browser by using Selenium automation script. Now for example, we will open this website, and if you want to download manually, how we can download it? We just have to click on the file. So when I click on this testfile.txt, it will get downloaded in downloads folder. So if I go to download folder, you can see the test file, right? So there is the test file. So I am just deleting this file, or let's say I am just deleting all the files so that download will remain clean. So now there is no file in downloads folder. So by default, if you want to manually download the file, we just have to click on that link. We will also see how we can download to any desired location if you want to download file in the desired location. So first, let's go to PyCharm. In PyCharm, let's create a new Python file. I am naming it as file download Firefox. So we have created a Python file now. After creating a Python file, what I am doing, I am just copying some basic code. We are importing WebDriver. Also we have to import from Firefox package. We are importing service class, and then we are creating service class object. We are creating a service class object, and in this we are passing executable path of Firefox driver. So what is the Firefox driver? That is Gcode driver. If you go to drivers, right click on it, open in Explorer. So for Chrome we have Chrome driver, for Edge we have MS Edge driver, and similarly for Firefox we have Gecko driver that I had downloaded earlier and placed it in a drivers folder. So for Firefox we have to use this driver. So we have to just copy the path and we have to provide it here. So instead of Chrome driver, it should be Gecko driver. So we have provided executable path in service class object. After that, what we have to do is we have to follow certain steps. We have to create one object of Firefox options. We have to create one object of WebDriver.Firefox options. And previously for Chrome and Edge, we have created one dictionary of preferences. But in case of Firefox, we can directly add one options like this. So first we will see how to download directly. So I will first show you how to download directly. So I am just commenting this part. I am just commenting this code. So after creating the service class object, what I will do, I will create driver instance. Driver equals to WebDriver.Firefox, and in this we have to pass service class object. Service equals to service class object, and then I can directly open the URL by using driver.get. In this we have to pass this URL which will open this website. So this will launch the browser and it will open this website. After opening this website, we have to click on this link. So I am just inspecting. Let's find out XPath for this element. So I will download test file.txt. So let's inspect it. Right click, copy XPath. So I am just copying the XPath. I will just write driver dot find element by dot XPath, and then let's provide the XPath value, and then we have to click on that link. So it should launch the browser, open the website, and you should click on that link of file, and it will download in downloads folder by default. So I will just execute this file and let's see. So it is launching the web browser. It is launching the web browser automatically. It will launch the Firefox browser now, because we have used Firefox browser driver, and it has clicked on some other element. So let's inspect one more time. It downloaded some other file. Let's inspect if we have used correct XPath. So which file we want to download is test.txt file. So I am just copying it, or we can use link text as well. So I will just copy the XPath. Let's see with the XPath once. Let's execute this file one more time. So it will launch the web browser. It will open the website, and it has downloaded that test.txt file. If you go to download folders, you can see both the files are downloaded. So this is directly downloading the file by clicking on link, and it will by default download to downloads folder. So I am just deleting both the files now. And what we will do, let's say I want to download this file to my desired location or any other location than downloads. Let's say in my project I have created one folder, that is my downloads, which is currently empty. I want to download file in the my downloads folder. So how we can do that? So to do that, what we have to do is, we have to first, before creating the driver instance, we have to create my options as an object of, we can give any name. We have to create object of Firefox options. After that we have to add certain statements. For example, we have to add my options dot set preference, and in that we have to provide browser dot download dot folder list. This is as a parameter. So I am just passing this and I will show you. So we have to pass browser dot download dot folder list, comma, and there are three values which we can provide here. We can either provide 0. If you provide here 0, then it will download file to desktop. If you provide it 0, then it will download to desktop. If you provide 1 instead of 0 here, if you provide 1, then it will download to downloads folder. And if you provide value as 2, it should download to desired location. So now I will give the value as 0, and let's execute this file. So now it should download the file to desktop folder. Let's execute and let's check it out. I am just running this file. So it should launch the Firefox browser. It will download the file to desktop folder, because we have provided the value as 0 there. So it is launching the Firefox browser, and it has downloaded the file. And now what I will do, I will check in downloads. There is no file. Let's check it in desktop. Sorry, so what mistake we have done here? We have provided value as 0 to my options dot set preference, but we haven't passed this my options object into options in driver instance, right? So we have to pass options equal to this options class object. WebDriver.Firefox options object which we have created, we have to pass that value in while creating the driver instance. That's why it was downloaded to downloads. So what I will do, I will just go to downloads again, delete this file, and let's see, now it should download to desktop. Let's execute it. It should launch the Firefox. It will open the website and it will click on that link and file will be downloaded. So file is downloaded, but where it is downloaded? If you see downloads is empty. If you see desktop, the file is downloaded in desktop folder because we have provided that value as 0 here. So if you provide 0, it will download to desktop. If you provide 1, then it will download to downloads. And if you want to download the file to desired location, we have to provide the value as 2. So when we are providing value as 2, after that we have to add one more statement where we can give the desired location. So that statement is again like this. So I will just show you. So we have to just provide one more statement, myOptions.setPreference browser.download.dir, and in that we have to provide the path where we want to download that file. So what is the desired location? I want to download in my downloads. So I will just copy the path. I will just copy the absolute path and I will paste it here. So it should download the file to this desired location which we have provided. So we have added value as 2 here. So 2 means it should download to this desired location, and that path we have provided here. So it should download to my downloads folder. So let's execute this file and let's see whether it downloads that file into my downloads folder in our project. So we are just executing this file. It should launch the Firefox browser. It is launching the Firefox browser. It will open the website and it should click on that file. If you see, this time when a file is open, page is open, some files are not visible. So what I will do, I will just inspect it and I will just take the XPath of this file. I will just copy the XPath. I will put it in our script, and now I will just execute the file one more time. So let's execute this file one more time. So it will launch the Firefox browser again. It will launch the website and this time it should click on the file. And if you see, though it downloaded a different file because the XPath might have changed, the file which is downloaded, this file, it should be downloaded in which folder? Our desired folder. So it should download in my download. So if you see now, the file gets downloaded in this my download folder. What I will do, I will just delete this file one more time, and this time let's say I will provide this value here as 1. If I provide 1, then it should download to downloads folder. So let's execute this file, and if you are providing the value as 0 or 1, so if you are provided 0 or 1, then we don't have to provide this statement. So this statement is not necessary. When we are giving the value as 0, it will download to desktop. If you are giving it as 1, it will download to downloads folder. So let's execute this. So in that case, we don't have to provide the next statement which includes the desired path. That statement we have to add only if we are giving value as 2. So now it is launching the web browser. It will open the website it will download the file and it should go to download folder. So now this file should go to downloads folder. If you see, I will just go to downloads. File is present, it is downloaded in download folder. Now what I will do, I will again put the value as 2, and value if it is 2, then it will download to desired location. So I will just add this statement again and it will download the file to my downloads. Currently it is empty. So let's execute this file. It will launch the web page. It will open the Firefox browser. It will download the file and it should be in my downloads folder here. If you see, file is downloaded. So this is how we can download files on Firefox browser. So we have to create the option class object, Firefox options class object, in which we have to set the preference with browser.download.folder list. After that we can provide 0, 1 or 2. If it is 0, then file will be downloaded to desktop. If it is 1, then it will download to downloads folder, and if it is 2, then we have to provide the desired location path here by using browser.download.dir, and then we have to provide the location of desired path, and then we have to create the driver instance in which we have to pass service class object along with options which object which we have created, and then it should download to desired location. So this is all about downloading files on multiple browsers. So we have seen Chrome, we have seen Edge as well as Firefox. In the coming session we will see some more topic about Selenium with Python. So thank you for watching.